Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Tuesday, August the 11th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. So, I just want to talk about, I'm going to go over my watch list a little bit, but I do want to talk a little bit about this play trade that I took. Now, if you were in the trading room yesterday, you know that I was interested in this as a potential swing trade. So let's see why. Take a look at, well, there's the weekly chart of it. You can see, there's the price right there. In fact, I should look at the daily chart. I think it'll have a better, there we go. So you can see on the daily chart, this was yesterday. But remember, I was talking about this before the market opened, and I thought, you know what? I mean, if this can, I think it had already moved a little bit in the pre-market. So, play had got rid of most of this yesterday. So this looked really interesting to me. I mean, looking left, there are little pockets of resistance as we move up. Excuse me, but it did look like it had some room in my opinion. So this is what I did. Look at the 15-minute chart. Right near the end of the day, I decided to take this trade and I took it at 15.10, and this was going to be a swing. And this morning, it had popped. This is pre-market right there. There's the beige area. It took some out right here, right over the that 16.14 mark, so a little over $1. And then, it was really chopping around quite a bit. And in fact, it even came in my watch list, 16.27. You could have traded it from the watch list, 16.27. It got all the way up to 16.86, but it was choppy, no question about it. So I'm not in this trade anymore. I got out most of it right around this area. I know I said I wanted to swing it, but it's just a little bit too choppy for me. So, not a bad trade. Take a look at the OMI from the watch list. Another one that's kind of choppy, and this was, for me anyway, this was kind of the theme of the day. Not for the ones that I was watching anyway, not a lot of stocks that had really good, strong continuations. Now, when I say that, I don't mean that a stock has to be, constantly like one green candle after another, but just not this sort of stuff, not big pullbacks all over the place. It's okay to maybe a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of consolidation, a leg up, a little consolidation. I just found that this one was a little too choppy. But, nonetheless, the alert came at 14.75 and it did get up before it pulled back to 15.30. Play we've already talked about. And I think the WBT, which is, we looked at this one as a swing trade yesterday, and it really hasn't broken out over 8. And then the CLSK, again, a very quick trade, CLSK 12.97, and it got up to 13.61. But you have to also look at this one on the daily chart, and it's just been a rocket ship for quite a while. Little pullback here, but it's been a rocket ship for quite a while. So you have to expect a pullback at some point. Even on the downside, I'm looking at my watch list on the downside. Let's get back to a 15-minute time frame. So the CELH had an alert at 1862 right there. Got down to 1806, before it popped. iBio, I believe, is still down. 330, and it got down to 274. Not bad. I mean, actually very good. So we had we had some plays on both the long side and the short side from my watch list. But again, what I did not see today was a lot of really nice, strong continuation plays from the ones that I was following anyway. Of course, there were some, just not the ones that I was following, obviously. So anyway, want to get back into the room and check to see what's going to happen in the basic new highs and lows. Usually what I do is when I get back in, I clear this so I can get a different look later on in the day. So I'm going to do that once I get back into the room. So I'm going to shut this chart down and bring back the capture program. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. Again, this is the link for the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.